Hi everyone, welcome back to our final Therapy Tip Tuesday together for the month of June. I'm Miss Sam from the Lake Success Office, and today I'm going to be talking about how I like to use songs in therapy to elicit language. Music actually plays a pretty big role in language learning for young children, and this is mainly because music helps them learn and retain words and expressions due to the repetitive patterns that we see in many children's songs. Even as adults, most of us remember all of the words to the nursery rhymes and songs that we sang as kids. Research has also shown that using songs and music in therapy is beneficial for geriatric populations, particularly those with Alzheimer's or dementia, because music is really stimulating for the brain. However, I will just be sharing some ideas about how I use songs with younger patients to encourage language growth and development. Many young children love to sing and be loud, so allowing them to do so can really create a fun environment that encourages them to learn new vocabulary, strengthen their memory skills, and improve their overall expressive and receptive language abilities. So I'm going to go through a few tips for using songs in speech therapy, as well as some goals that can easily be targeted. First, I'll talk a bit about visual cues and support. I usually like to pair some kind of visual with the important words or phrases in the song, whether that be an object, a picture, or a gesture. So as an example, if we're singing or listening to Wheels on the Bus, we would go through the movements that go along with the lyrics, and I might take out a toy school bus to make it even more interactive, because this can help the child put more meaning to the words and is especially engaging if they can't yet sing themselves. Another thing I like to do is give some wait time or a brief pause to give the child a chance to fill in the lyrics themselves. So for example, if we're singing Old MacDonald, maybe I'll say, "And on his farm he had a," and show the child a picture of an animal or a figure of an animal to encourage them to say the word themselves. Although there really are tons of language skills that you can address using songs, some of the other big ones that I will talk about are gesturing, following directions, and requesting. Pairing gestures with verbal language is great for young children because it helps them give meaning to the words. Many children's songs and nursery rhymes have specific movements that go along with the song, such as Baby Shark or If You're Happy and You Know It. And when you are teaching a child gestures through song, it's important to model the gestures for the child every time you sing it, because the goal is to encourage the child to imitate your gestures and then eventually produce those gestures independently. For following directions, there are some songs that target this on their own, and you don't even need to modify anything, such as Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes, or the Hokey Pokey, and there are tons of other options if you search it up on YouTube. Lastly, music is a great way to practice requesting with young children, whether that be verbal requests using words or sentences, or nonverbal requests by giving choices and having them point, sign, or gesture to the song that they want. There are so many fun ways to incorporate music into speech therapy sessions, so I hope that you enjoyed these tips and ideas that we spoke about today. Thank you so much for watching.